What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another unboxing video today on the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2TB external hard drive for the PS4. Now, I really needed one of these because I have no space left on my PS4. Call of Duty took everything that I had. I had to delete games just to make space for updates and all that other stupid stuff. So, I went to Best Buy and I bought one of these guys. Now, I originally went there to go get a Seagate, the Seagate brand of external hard drive, but they didn't have it. So the guy told me this was the next best thing. So we're gonna pop this guy open. We're gonna take a look at him, and I just figure out some of the specs. It's pretty simple. It's an external hard drive. This is one of the models where you just plug the USB into your system and format it, and that's it. That should be good to go. It's a plug and play. We're gonna pop this open. I'm just gonna destroy this box real quick because I'm not gonna use it again. Hold on. Ah! There we go. There we go. Can y'all see? Alright. So, comes in a nice little package, cased up, damage free. Alright, I'm stupid. You gotta pull these two things and then it just, oh my god. It just opened up. It just, there we go. It opens up like that. There we go. I'm a complete retard. Alright, so, as usual, as usual, we're gonna get rid of the menus. We don't even look at those. Oh, wait, look at this. This is what I was talking about. You plug the USB into the system and then format it, and then that's it. That's how easy it is. Easy as pie. Alright, so it comes with this little USB Johnski John. It got the I don't know the name of it, but it's the two slots on there where you plug that right into your external hard drive, which is this guy. Let's get rid of that plastic. It's nice and shiny. This model is a WD. Now, I don't know too much about them, but they do got good reviews. That's one thing I did check. From what I've seen, nobody has had problems with it. It's just easy as pie. Yeah. Well, I said the first thing that popped in my head. I think I'm hungry. Yeah, it's easy. You just plug your let's do it on camera. So you take this piece right here, the little two-piece, and you plug that into the two-piece slot that's right in there. Hold on. See? And then you plug this USB, whoa, this USB piece into the actual system, and then that's it. You go to your settings, press format. It's going to ask you to add extra storage or whatever it says, and then from there you just format it to make it fit your PS4. You got more space, and the reason why I needed more space is because of this. I went out and bought Red Dead Redemption. I've been hearing amazing things about it. All my friends like, yo, if you don't go out and get Red Dead Redemption, we're not friends no more. So, shout out to my boy Charles Pickney, Falcon Creed. He's also a YouTuber. He's down in the description. He live streams like almost every day. He been begging me for me to give him a shout out. So this is my shout out to you, bro, because I know people gonna watch this video. So go subscribe to my homies down in the description. He make unboxing videos and gameplay videos. He also is a director too. So anybody in college trying to get that direction and all that, that's your guy. So we're gonna be live streaming with this game because I heard it's like 30 hours plus long. So that's a lot of time. I can't make 30 million videos on just one game. You know, y'all know me. I don't keep up with games. I'll buy a game, play it like 2-3 times, and then that's it. I don't keep up with gameplay recordings. So, yeah, it's a boom, boom, boom. I guess this is a double unboxing. Got the 2 discs, John. Got a data. The guy said it's over 100 gigabytes or something like that. It's like just as big as Call of Duty. Like, it's really big. The open world is crazy. But this video is not about Red Dead Redemption. It's about the WD unboxing. This is gonna be good, and I know it's gonna work because the review said it was. So if you have a problem, take it back. But I bought this from Best Buy. It was $90. I missed the sale by like a week or so. Before it was $79.99, which is $80, but now it was $90. So I had gift cards and stuff. You know me, I'm cheap. And I went out and bought it, and I needed it. so I can re-download all my other games. I haven't played Overwatch in forever. I miss playing that game. I want to go back to playing the old GTAs. I was still playing San Andreas, making gameplays on that. I had to delete that. It's so much stuff, man. All these free PlayStation Plus games is out, and I can't play them because I ain't got no space on my shit. So this is needed. This is needed. You need one of these? Go out and get it. It's at a good price. It's actually cheaper than I expected for a 2 terabyte. I just plugged it in. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. Wow. So I just plugged it in right here. You just go to, it was actually a notification, so it pops right up on your screen. Go to format as extended storage, bow, format, and then after you, yes. And then after you format it, whatever, you're gonna be able to install all of your applications and things on there. And that's just how simple it is. Here we go. There we go, right there. Zoom it in real quick. Yep, there we go. 156 kilobytes already used. It was a 2 terabyte, so it was 1.84 shits left. So yeah, that's the thing, and then that's it. That's how easy it is. I told y'all. But that's going to end the video. If this is helpful, give it a thumbs up. If it wasn't, thumbs it down and let me know why it wasn't. I know I'm weird sometimes, and I just be rambling like I'm doing now, but it is what it is. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because I want to thank you guys for hitting 700 subscribers. We are getting bigger and bigger. And this year, I got so much faith in this that I think we can hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I got so much faith in us that I think we can do it. I hope we can do it. But that's the mission. That is the goal for this year, is to hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. Can we do it? Yes, we can. No, that's so cheesy. Ew. Yo, I think we can do it. That's just my goal that I'm setting for this year with YouTube. I only do this for fun. But hey, if we can get that big, that'd be crazy. Who knew we was gonna get 700 subscribers? Who knew it? But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.